Hi, my name is Richard. I am retired civil engineering and I would like to introduce you to Sudoku. Sudoku is a mathematical puzzle and Sudoku has 9 squares, as you see around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 9 columns and 9 rows. Every square has numbers from 1 to 9. Every columns has number from 1 to 9. Every row has number from 1 to 9. This maybe seems too complicated, but not so if you are going to follow rules which I would like to show you. Let's go. This is the beginning of Sudoku, and on the bottom you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and I already put how many number 1 exists in this Sudoku, the first Sudoku which we are going to fix, and number 2, for example, 4, number 3 is 2, number 7 is max because it has 7. And we are going to consider right now the square C2 and looking for number 7 number. As you see, the columns, one column has number 7, and our columns also has number 7 over there, and row has number 7. The one available space for 7 in this square, it's this. Next we are going to consider a square C3. This is this square, and you're looking for number 9. As you see in this row, number 9 is already exist. In this another row, number 9 is already exist. This columns, number 9 is already exist, and this another column, number 9 is already exist. And one available space for number 9 in this square is over there. Right now we are going to consider square C2, and as you see, and looking for number 1. This, as you see, in this column number 1 exists in this place. In this column number 1 exists in this place. And this number 1 exists also in this row. The one available space in this square for number 1 is over there. Next we are also consider the same square, but looking for the place for number 2. As you see, number 2 exists in this column, and number 2 exists in this column. One available space for number 2 in this square is over there. Right now we are going to consider square C3 and looking for number 4. As you see, this column, number 4, already exists. And the one available space on number 4 in this square is over there. We are going to consider also the same square C3. You see one available space. And this available space is for number 5, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, no 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9. There's one space for this space, empty space for number 5. Right now we are going to consider a square C3 and looking for number A3 and looking for number 3. As you see, the number 3 exists in this row already, and number 3 exists in this row. There's one available space for number 3 in square A3 is over there. Right now we are going to consider square C1 and looking for the number 4. As you see, the columns, in these columns exist number 4, already exists, and in these columns number 4 exists over there. There's one available space in square C1, number 4 is over there. Right now we are going to consider square B3 and looking for number 7. Number 7 already exists in this column over there, and number 7 exists in this column over there. There is one available space for number 7 in square B3 is over there. Right now we are going to consider the same square B3 but looking for number 8. As you see, number 8 exists in these columns over there, and number 8 exists in this column over there. There is one available space in square B3 for number 8 is over there. Right now we are going to consider square A3 and looking for number 1. Number 1 in this row exists over there, and number 1 exists in these columns over there, and number 1 exists in this another columns over there. There's one available space for number 1 in the square A3 is over there. Right now we are going to consider square C1 and we are looking for a number 8. This row already exists number 8 over there, and this columns 8 exists over there. There is one available space for number 8 in the square C1 is over there. Right now we are going to consider square C2 and looking for number 8. As you see, number 8, I will consider this square. Number 8 exists in this columns over there. Number 8 8 exists in this columns over there. It's number 8, and number 8 exists in this row over there. And one available space for number 8 in this square is over there. Right now we are going to consider columns from this column. When you see in this column, we have to, in this available space, you have to put number 5. Doesn't exist in this column. There's one place empty, and this will be 5, and will be 1, and this column will be every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has to be over there, 7, 8, and 9. Right now we consider square C2, and it's one available space. In this space will be number 3. Everything I have to put on the place for number 3. Right now you consider these columns, and these columns, it's one available space, and this spaces will be on for number 6, because if you see everything is every numbers on 6 has to be over there. Now we consider still square C1, and as you see, and number 5, and as you see, the number 5 exists in this row over there. There's one available space for number 5 in the square is over there. Okay, we already put some bunch of numbers, and I hope that you be able put every numbers, and this will be like homework for you. And see you again for new Sudoku. Thank you.